Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the beauty products that promise to transform your daily routine. Are you a fan of versatile eyeshadow kits that can give you everything from a soft daytime look to a dramatic evening finish? If so, this one's for you. Today, we're diving into the Revlon PhotoReady Eye Contour Kit, specifically the Metropolitan 501 palette. Whether you're a makeup beginner or a seasoned pro, the aim is to make contouring your eyes easier than ever. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an honest review like this one. Let's start with the basics. The Revlon PhotoReady Eye Contour Kit is an all-in-one eyeshadow palette that features a mix of 5 shades designed for contouring and highlighting. This kit boasts a wet-dry formula, offering smooth, buildable application that's perfect for creating everything from a subtle, natural look to something a bit more intense. With a primer, 3 shadows, and a shimmer top coat, it's marketed as a go-to palette for both beginners and experts. Plus, it includes a dual-ended applicator to make application precise and easy. The formula itself is ophthalmologist-tested, which makes it safe for even the most sensitive eyes. A big plus for anyone who struggles with irritation from traditional eyeshadows. This level of care and formulation is really reassuring, especially when you consider how many beauty products hit the market without enough consideration for eye safety. Now let's talk about how it performed in real-life testing. I found the application of the Revlon PhotoReady Eye Contour Kit to be smooth and blendable, especially when used dry for a softer look. When used wet, the pigment really pops, which is ideal if you want more intense color payoff or a shimmer that stands out. The dual-ended applicator is easy to use, with one end for applying shadow and the other for blending, which allowed for precise control, making contouring a breeze. What I liked most is how versatile the palette is. It offers a great mix of matte and shimmer shades that can be layered to create depth, and the primer is a nice addition to help the eyeshadow stay put all day. However, the size of the pans, each 0.1 ounce, does feel a little small if you're used to larger palettes, so I'm curious how long the product will last with regular use. Let's break down the pros. The texture is smooth, and it blends really well, whether you're using it wet or dry. It's ophthalmologist-tested, so it's safe for sensitive eyes. The inclusion of a primer and shimmer top coat helps to create a more polished, professional look. The dual-ended applicator is super handy, making application precise and seamless. On the flip side, the cons would be the size of the product. At 0.1 ounce, it's smaller than some other palettes on the market. Also, while the shades are vibrant and versatile, the shimmer top coat could have been a bit more pigmented for those who love a more dramatic shine. If you're after something super bold in terms of shimmer, this might not be the standout feature for you. Now let's talk value for money. At its price point, I'd say the Revlon PhotoReady Eye Contour Kit is a decent deal. You're getting a well-rounded palette with a primer, contour shades, and a shimmer top coat, all of which you can use daily for different looks. While the small size may feel like a drawback if you're used to larger palettes, the quality of the formula and the versatility it offers makes it a solid choice for those looking to simplify their eye makeup routine. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something in a similar price range, but with more shimmer, you could check out other drugstore brands like Maybelline or L'Oreal, who also offer eye contour kits. However, none of them quite have the same combination of ophthalmologist-tested ingredients and versatility that Revlon brings. When it comes to build quality, I found the packaging to be compact and easy to carry around in your makeup bag. But the plastic casing feels a little flimsy compared to more high-end products. Still, for a drugstore product, it holds up pretty well. Now, I've had a chance to test this palette over the last couple of weeks, and I'll be honest, it's become a staple in my routine for quick, customizable eye looks. It's great for everyday wear, and the versatility it offers really does help you create limitless looks without needing a drawer full of different products. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on it, the link is in the comments. If you've had any experience with the Revlon PhotoReady Eye Contour Kit, Drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did it live up to the hype for you? Thanks so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.